My name is Justin Johnson. I'm the Director of Technology Development and Senior Compliance Manager. I've been here since 2017 in November, so coming on 7 years. Yeah, so the major client I work for right now, typical day would be a lot of meetings, but mainly looking through preliminary environmental reviews of projects, finding out if there's any compliance issues or permits that we may need to get on our end for the client, and going from there. So, making sure that our compliance for the current project and construction is going to go without a hitch. I'm sure a lot of people say this, but it's different every day. That's the fun part of it. Each project and location has different challenges, for myself, for construction, engineering. So being able to basically walk through that and, get all the stakeholders, everybody involved, and come up with a general plan that suits either the environment or construction. That's kind of the main thing. It's just all the different challenges that a project or, I guess, area would have for us. So, I live on the West Coast and I'm on Pacific time. A lot of our clients are either Eastern or Central time zone. So the ability to kind of change my work habits, my work times to basically fit their needs, it works really well. I'm working sometimes earlier in my day, earlier in their day, later in my day, later in their day, and it's really nice being available for the client in multiple different aspects of time. Early bird. Stay in. And what is that? I thought so, yeah. Neither. I don't watch a lot of reality nowadays. I used to watch a lot of Survivor back in the day, but let's see. Kind of like what we were talking about is, I set goals for the following year, upcoming year, and last year was photography, so it's been a good year doing different photography in different situations, family events, wildlife. And this upcoming year, I'm going to be actually sewing. So I'm going to learn how to sew, hand stitching, and then also on a sewing machine. So I really enjoy fantasy football. So I love NFL. I love the different strategical aspects of it, and that would be something that I could talk about for a TED Talk or hours on end. Kind of that self-satisfaction that I'm, making a difference in the world. Whether it's, even though I live in Washington, do work in Indiana, that I'm making a difference in Indiana in the environmental world. Whether it's, helping out on the inspection front with guidance, suggestions, or on the permitting front. We have I have a lot of new people that I work with that are very, very new, and being able to guide them in the right direction. I don't know, for me, it goes along with the Clean Water Act. We live in this area. I live here in the United States, and being able to, I drink the water, my family drinks the water. I want to make sure that what we're doing in construction out there is, suitable and within environmental standards. They're there for a reason, and I love making that happen.